Hey, Mac Tools Nation, BD Tool customers, check this out. We are at the Mac Tools Tool Show over in Washington, D.C., Tool Fair 2025. And we are talking today to Mr. Clay Koon. You may know him from Koon Trucking. He has an incredible video series out there, puts out a lot of good information. So Clay, we're talking today, we are talking toolbox cleaner, metal polish, polishing compounds, and so forth.
Yep.
Show us what we got and tell us all about it.
Absolutely, man. So obviously, if you guys spend a lot of money on a toolbox, you want to take care of it, right? Nobody spends $5,000 to $30,000 to leave their toolbox looking greedy. At least I hope you don't. But if you do, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix it. First off, if you have a matte toolbox, we make a specific cleaner specifically for matte. Now this will also work on gloss. So let me show you. Behind here, I have a little wad of dielectric grease. So we're going to go over here to this matte toolbox, and I'm going to show you how well this works. So even on regular matte, fingerprints is going to show up. And there's dielectric grease on matte finish. And you see how it shows up.
It definitely shows up. That's nasty.
So if you ever try to clean dielectric grease, you know it's way harder to clean than a regular automotive grease.
So it's a smooth matte finish, and with the product we're looking at here,
this is the toolbox cleaner.
The toolbox cleaner.
So I'm gonna put a little bit on here. I'm gonna go over the greasy spot. I'm gonna flip to a clean part of the rag. Get another little squirt because I put a good bit there. And there you have it. Once the cleaner dries, you'll never know what happened.
That's pretty clean. That's clean. Now with the matte box, that's always an issue. People are always worried about shining them up.
Yep.
So the toolbox cleaner from Mac Tools,
yes,
that is not going to shine up a matte finish.
It will shine. It will shine. No. It will clean it. It will not.
Like okay, so it will not ruin the matte.
No,
it will leave it.
It will not.
When it dries, the matte will remain matte.
Yep.
That's awesome.
It also works great on gloss toolboxes. It works great on your rubber tops. If you'll notice here, you can see a little bit of this polish haze that's come off. I'll do the same thing here. Just a little squirt's all it takes. It'll clean your bed liner tops. It'll clean your rubber tops. It just works for a toolbox. It's perfect for like your liners. After you get your tools in there and you get a little bit of grease and junk in the bottom of your toolbox drawers, this will clean your liners off perfectly fine. So once you have it clean, you want to protect it. So we offer a ceramic coating, which is right here. It's a ceramic sealant, and this will protect your box from about 9 months to a year. So you don't have to clean your box once a year. Throw some ceramic coating on it, and you're good to go. This will work fine on matte finish as well as gloss. It won't haze it over.
That's awesome.
So the next thing I want to show is our polish paste. So this is what it comes. It comes in a 1 pound magnetic lid jar. So what
Everybody
I have
loves the magnetic lids.
Is a piece of diamond plate. You can see we've polished a little bit of it. And just to show how easy this works, I'm just going to take a little bit here off the side. That's all I'm going to use. It don't take much. You notice I'm doing it with my finger, so that tells you it's not very acidic. It's not going to hurt you. It's not harmful for you.
Well, you've been doing this demonstration all week, and you're not dead yet, and your finger's still on your hands, so that's a good thing.
Wipe that off. Move to a clean spot. If I got any left. And there you go. It's that easy.
So I got a feeling we're going to be buying some of this to keep the BD Tools truck all nice and shiny, because I do not want to let that puppy dull out.
Works great on any kind of metal like you see here. It works great on painted surfaces. Works great on glass. So even on your shower, if you have a glass shower door, those water spots, this will knock it right out. This is some amazing stuff.
So applications outside of your toolbox, such as your Harley Davidson or your classic car or your Ford F-250 pickup truck?
Paint, unpainted, you know, whether it be like a polished chrome, it works fine. It's safe to use on clear coats. It's safe to use on plastic. So if you guys have got some side-by-sides and it's got a little dulling due to the sun damage on it, this will bring it back. Works great on fiberglass. So if you have a boat that's been in the water, you take it out for the winter and you got that water line on it, so take care of it.
So that there is the Mac Tools magnetic rag. How many times have you been cleaning your toolbox or doing whatever you need to do and you drop that rag on the floor and now you got nasty metal shavings all through it? So what you have here is a nice soft chamois, and it has a magnet in there. So what you just throw that right on your toolbox.
It's only magnetic on one side.
That's awesome.
And you can remove the magnet.
So you can throw it in the washer. Yeah.
And good to go.
So what else we got? I see we have an automotive soap.
We do. So this is our specially formulated soap. 1 cap to 2.5 gallons of water, and this stuff works great. I was a huge Chemical Guys fan. I love Chemical Guys car wash soap. We come out with this, and it's just as good, if not better.
So it looks like we got your cleaning supplies all set up. This is available on the Mac Tools truck. So if you're not on my route, talk to your distributor. If you're on my route, let me know what you're looking for, both in the shop and, hey, you know, for your toys at home. I would probably touching up my Harleys, both of them with this. Definitely cleaning up my new F750 tool truck. So Clay, it is a pleasure.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. This is a wonderful product, and thank you for giving us an education on it. So if you're not a member of the channel, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, watch for new videos, and check out Clay's channel, Koon Trucking. He has a lot of great videos. He covers a lot of tools from a lot of companies, and it's just a lot of education because that's what's good. So thank you for watching, and thank you, Clay. We do appreciate you.
Absolutely.